Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Simply Elite back again today. We're going to be installing an exhaust on my 2019 Q50 here. Yes, I did end up getting rid of the Toyota Tacoma, and I did end up buying this Q50 right here. It is the 3.0 twin turbo, and we're going to be installing a TOMEI catback on the car. Well, actually the Y back, along with this Megan Racing 3-inch Y pipe. The car is completely stock right now, so hopefully we're gonna get a nice sound out of this. We got Dylan's Accord build right here. We got Dylan over there with that Mercedes, as you guys have seen featured in previous videos. But let's go ahead and get right into today's video. All right, so taking a look at the inside of the box here. Here is the part that connects to the Y pipe with the resonator on here. We'll go ahead and put this off to the side on the ground there. And then we actually did already unwrap this part. This is the midsection of the Y back. We'll go ahead and gently place that down on the ground as well. And then, of course, here is the best part of the exhaust. We got the giant muffler in the back with the burnt blue tip. And then we got that box full of hardware and stuff over there. So we'll go ahead and start jacking up the car and then start taking off the stock exhaust and get some of this stuff put on here. Alright guys, so we just went ahead and removed the rear muffler that was on the car. Came out pretty easily. Those flanges are actually pretty rusted though, but we didn't have to use any WD or anything. But yeah, that is the stock muffler right there. It is quite large and it definitely restricts the sound quite a bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start removing the rest of the pipes on the car right now. Alright guys, so we got everything except for the stock Y pipe out now. I'm going to go ahead and start the car to hear what it sounds like with a resonator and muffler delete. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
It's probably going to rattle from those flanges.
Probably. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and remove the stock Y pipe. That's one way to do it, I guess. All right, so as you guys can see, we went ahead and got the stock Y pipe off. I just want to do a little bit of a size comparison to how small that pipe actually is compared to the one that we're installing. It's quite ridiculous how restrictive the stock Y pipe actually is on these cars. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start installing the aftermarket Y pipe, and then we'll get to the TOMEI. Guys, so the Megan Racing Y pipe is now on, so we are about to go ahead and start getting the TOMEI part of this exhaust on, and then we will get some video sound clips for you guys. But we're just going to do a quick time lapse of installing this whole part right here. If there's anything like issues that we run into, I'll stop and commentate about it, but for the most part it should be smooth. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you guys take a look at this right here, the TOMEI on this corner piece right here actually came bent, which is pretty disappointing, but we're gonna go ahead and try to bend that back in place so we can actually get the exhaust on. But like for TOMEI, I would expect higher standards than that.
Should be good, right? Yeah.
So we went ahead and used some pliers and bent it out as best as possible. We'll see if this goes on now. All right guys, so we got the exhaust fully mounted up there as you guys can see, so we're gonna go ahead and get that first startup action right now.
I think it's gonna be pretty quiet. Probably. It's got a little rumble to it.
We'll let it warm up for a second, then we'll give you guys some revs. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get some clips of the revs right now. All right, so I'm not exactly sure how it sounded on video, but in person it does sound very good. It's quite quiet from inside the car. As of right now, I haven't driven it yet, but just revving, it's pretty quiet outside. I mean, inside the car. Outside, it does have a nice deep tone to it, but in my opinion, it definitely needs lower downpipes, which will end up coming soon, either lower or full downpipes. We'll see what happens. But yeah, for the most part, it sounds really good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, I highly recommend the TOMEI. The only problem I did have was that little bent part of the exhaust. But besides that, I think it came out very nice. Sounds really good. And so yeah, just stay tuned for some more content. Dylan will be uploading some videos to his channel pretty soon. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. So make sure you guys go check that out. And until next time, I will see you guys later.